What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's day 6 of the Wilcoxon challenge, so that means I'm on solo number 6. For those of you who haven't seen the earlier videos, I challenged myself to play every solo out of Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. It's got 150 short rudimental snare drum solos, and I'm going to play one every day until I finish the book. With that being said, today's solo is solo number 6, so let's jump right into it. Today I'm going to follow the same pattern as I have in the last video or two. I'm going to play it at 3 different tempos. I'm going to play it at a slow tempo, like a medium tempo, and then a kind of fast tempo. I'm also going to play it off the right, then I'm going to play it off the left, then I'm going to play it off the right again. The 3 tempos for today are 92, 108, and 124. So this is the first tempo. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to bump it up to 108 beats per minute, and I'm going to play it off the left. Let's give it a shot. Okay, the last tempo for today is 124 beats per minute. And we're going to play it back off the right again. We're just going to have a little fun with the speed. Here we go. I think I can play a little better than that. And I think I can play a little faster. Let's bump it up. Okay, we bumped it up a little bit this time again, up to 130. Let's give this one a shot. Here we go. Oh, that's not right. So that was solo number 6 from Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. There's 144 solos left to go, so I've got tons of content coming for you guys. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.